Hey, it's Matt from Custom Car Grills with an install video for the full replacement grills we have for the 3rd gen Tacoma. The stock grill is just held in place with 2 bolts and 2 push rivets. This one's already been removed from the truck. First order of business is removing the Phillips head screws on the back of the grill that help hold the bezel in place. Once those are removed, then a flathead screwdriver can come in handy when trying to release the tabs that hold the bezel and inner portion of the grill in there. After that, the stock grill components can be lifted out and set off to the side. Now, here's a look at the replacement grill that we have for sale on our website. This specific one seen here is for the 2016 through 17 model, and later in the video I'll also show a 2018 and newer model as well. The grill is laser cut, stainless steel, and powder coated. Also included are some stainless bolts with a plastic washer, as well as a couple stainless washers, nylon lock nuts, and a wrench to help fasten them on. From here, the new grill can simply be dropped into place like so. The plastic washer should be placed on the bolt, and then the bolts can be fed through the holes on the front of the grill. On the back side of the grill, the big washer goes on first, and then the smaller one, and then lastly the lock nut. While holding the bolt firmly in place with the supplied wrench, then tighten, but don't over tighten, the nuts on the back. With all the bolts tightened, then the mod is complete, and that's just as simple as it can be. 2018 and newer owners have a slightly different grill to make them TSS compatible, but it drops into place just as easily. The bolts holding it to the grill shell install the same, with the plastic washers going on first and then feeding them in. Use the wrench to hold the bolt in place, and then with the big washer, small washer, and nut in position, start tightening everything down. Again, there's no need to over tighten it, just get it firmly in position. Next, we have the TSS sensor bracket. I don't have the actual sensor here with me right now, but there's a link to another install that'll have all those details if it's not intuitive on how to use it. The bottom ledge may need to be pulled down a little bit in order to slide the bracket into place. Ideally, I want to have the bracket close to the back of the grill. Once it's in position, then I want to mark the holes with a silver marker, remove the bracket, and then drill the holes out. After the holes are drilled, then the bracket can go back on, and then the bracket hardware can be installed. The bolts can be fed through the top, and then the washer and nuts fastened together on the bottom. Lastly, hold the bolts by the TSS window in place. Then thread on the lock nuts behind the TSS bracket to finish off the installation. I'm all done with this, and the grill can go back on the truck. Here's a couple install pictures of 2016 through 17s as well as 2018 plus Tacomas. If you want to see a real-time first install of this from my wife, I'll leave a link in the description so that you can view that. As usual, if you have any questions about this install, then feel free to contact us, and thanks for watching.